Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick video for you with more Christmas cards. So let's get started. My first item are these easy 3D toppers with these gorgeous lanterns, and they're all decked out for Christmas. And look how beautiful they are. There are 10 embellishments in each bag, and each embellishment comes in 3 steps. And you layer them on top to make these 3D embellishments for your cards. So this is how they come. Now these are bigger than our regular embellishments. Let's just see how big one of these lanterns are. So they are about 4 inches long and 3 inches wide. And again, they come in several different steps. Let's take a few out and take a look, because they are super beautiful. See, they're all adorned with Christmas greenery and apples and pine cones, bows and ribbons. Yeah, very nice gingerbread. And I made a couple of cards with these beautiful embellishments. And here is my first one. Now look how beautiful this came out. And I think the artwork on those embellishments is just impeccable. The light, how it comes through the lantern, is just beautiful and very lifelike. The apples look lush enough to just bite into them, and the candles. So I didn't have to do much. I added a piece of paper in the back, this little silvery flower that I had in my stash, and I don't know where I got this, so that's been with me for a long time. I added the Mary. This came from the Santa Baby embellishments by Frank Garcia. And all I did is added some stickles to the background paper right here, a little bit of bling, and just look at this gorgeous card. Now that's my first. And then my second card, we have this blue lantern, and it has the cinnamon sticks and some orange slices, Christmas roses. I added a little bow, and then the star is a punch that I have. So I wanted to break up the light background papers. Again, these are the Santa Baby cards that come in a stack, and I will link them below. They have these beautiful pastel backgrounds, and I think it just works well with these embellishments. I added again some stickles to outline the paper, 3 pieces of bling, and my card is done. You know me, you know that I like quick cards. I mean, I can totally appreciate those of you that spend a lot of time on making very great and cards that, you know, take a lot of effort. But me, I like to see something quickly come together, and because of these embellishments, you can see how these cards turn out very beautifully, and they don't take any effort. Just a lot of fun to put them together. And here I have 2 bags of different candles. The first one, easy 3D toppers, are the Advent candles. And again, there are 10 to a bag. And these Advent candles are so classic looking. Look, we have gold candles with the Christmas rose. We have candles with a Santa. And each of them are in 3 steps. Blue candles with burlap flowers. Here we have a whole Santa family. Yeah, when I saw these are so adorable. Pink flowers and candles. Look at these silver candles. They look so real. Yeah, the artwork again is just beautiful. I love Easy 3D toppers because they are so beautiful and classy looking. Star anise and Christmas bulbs. A couple angels peeking out. Pine cones and red candles with bows. So these are the first candles, Advent candles. The second one are the candles in winter time, also 10 per bag, with a couple of angels and a lot of Christmas greenery. And I made my cards with this bag because this one is brand new. I just bought that bag home and I haven't had a chance to work with these yet. But with this one I made my cards, and here is my first one. I used again my card blanks with these beautiful star embellishments. They are printed on the card. I introduced you to those last time. They come in a pack of 10 cards in 5 colors, and all of them are so beautiful, beautifully decorated. It said Sternenzauber, and that's German for star magic. So here's my first card, and then I added some outline stickers which you can find in my store, and then of course a Merry Christmas. And then here I have the other candle. This time I used the card horizontally, and see how beautiful this one looks. I added this Merry Christmas sticker, and these are on sticker sheets in silver and in gold. Now you cannot really make it out so good on the sticker sheet, but you can see how it looks like on the card. So it's a little different, not the regular sentiment, but since it is all wavy, I thought the sticker can be wavy too. So 2 beautiful candles, and they would make Christmas cards for everybody. So here are the cards I made today. I hope you liked them. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and a message, a comment in the box below. Also, don't forget to join us on our Facebook group, European Papercraft Friends, where you can upload your own crafty projects and you will see all my cards as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and stay tuned for more Christmas cards. For today, this is all I have, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!